jọ̀ọ́ mo máa rí kinní ẹ máa ń pẹ́ ẹ̀rọ ìlówè ó mà ti ń láronú ṣé lóòótọ́ ni pé àǹtí Bukky ṣé mo àǹtí Bukky ìyá Mohbad Manchester ṣé òun ni Layo stubborn lóòótọ́ ẹ máa gbọ́rọ̀ ìlówè ó máa ń láronú because if you there are some things tèmi rí o tó jẹ́ pé mo máa kà á fún yín sìn this is from Bollywood tó jẹ́ pé ó ti pẹ́ tí mo ti ń rí kinní bọ̀ kò tí ì ṣe kinní fún mi until now I'm starting to pick points and do everything. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wo post Layo ó ní farms I will be taking a break from here soon just want you all to know in advance. The same time ni àǹtí Bukky náà lọ fún tourist àbí. The way Layo blog with hatred in her heart the same way náà ni Bukky man blog. In fact most of the things Bukky say she will say ẹ lọ wo lọ́dọ̀ Layo ló sọ pé kinní kan kinní kan is almost the same thing with what Layo blog. I don't want to believe it o but ó bẹ́ẹ̀ kò bẹ́ẹ̀ èmi kàn ṣe mọ̀ ẹ̀yin ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n tẹ̀ wá ń bí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ fojú sùn kẹ́ ẹ fi wò pé ṣé lóòótọ́ àǹtí Bukky ni Layo stubborn ó lọ fà ọ́ kò sí nǹkan tí ò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí social media ṣá but èmi ò kì í ṣe anybody o ẹ ṣáà ti mọ ohun wa ò jọra èmi ò kì í ṣe anybody o ẹlẹ́yà tí kò yàtọ̀ sí anybody I'm not anybody on this social media space but think of it ṣé àǹtí Bukky jèsì ni Layo stubborn because the way bí Layo ṣe máa ń blog even me myself I used to shock the way she will get some access to some information the way she will get some access to some in-depth information èmi náà wò pé kò possible kó máa ní gbogbo information yẹn kó má jẹ́ pé o ní èèyàn kan ní underneath ẹ̀. The things Layo say is almost the same thing with the things Aunty Bukky say kì í ṣe pé reference o I'm talking about the in-depth ẹ wo ìgbà tí Priscilla fẹ́ ṣe marriage ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ẹ wo ìgbà tí Dorcas nígbà tó lóyún the photos the things they say kọ́ máa ṣọ́ ọmọ yẹn kiri kọ́ máa gbé àwọn picture kan kí Layo tó ṣẹ̀dẹ̀ kí Layo tẹ̀lé Dorcas lọ sí Christmas party ní Nàìjíríà kó dẹ̀ wọlé kó dẹ̀ máa ṣe live video kéèyàn kankan dẹ̀ máa mọ̀ it will take somebody that has been in fracas for a long time for them to be able to pull stunts like that because ní Christmas party yẹn jẹ́ sọ kíní kan fún yín àwọn èèyàn mọ́ra wọn náà the other nations know themselves how can Layo enter if not that she has already have access through somebody that is already in fracas tó dẹ̀ ti lè lo èèyàn kan láti wọlé that is it mo mọ̀ pé Layo ní ọwọ́ fracas nínú dáadáa ó ní fracas figure kan nínú but I don't believe that she is Bukky ó lè jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó lè má jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ but according to Bolivia have been on this for a long time until now ni mo ṣe wá click gbogbo ẹ̀ together pé ó possible náà kò sí nǹkan tí ó possible lórí social media. Bolivia sọ pé it is not rocket science it is very easy to figure out who is behind Ikoro ìyẹn Layo stubborn. Ẹ̀yin just use her real profile to flag a picture on my page. The Facebook page of Bukky Jesse is clearly the main profile operating the Layo's page. Interestingly, Layo announced just a day ago that she will be less active online, and suddenly, Egba Jesse is allegedly on a Turkey vacation. Àtẹ̀lẹ́ sọ pé coincidentally nìyẹn. But if you see the blogging for a long time, and ṣe ló máa dàbẹ́ ni pé copy and paste with a little twist bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn from the two of them. Bolivia ló jẹ́ kí n notice kinní for a long time. So èmi náà ti wà lórí kinní for a long time. I'm not trying to decode who the person is. I'm just like taking note of what the things we see on social media, right? Mi ò kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú kéèyàn máa ṣọ́yìn kiri. But when the idea is already there, èmi náà máa ń gbé yẹ̀wò pé ṣẹ́ṣọ́ pé Layo ni Aunty Bukky dẹ̀ ni Layo. But I used to see the pattern in the things they blog. They literally blog the same way. That is it. They literally blog the same way. Is it that they are in a WhatsApp group together àbí kó jẹ́ pé Aunty Bukky ló ní Layo lóòótọ́. Ṣẹ́rí ti Lizzy àti ti Mesoro is so different to Aunty Bukky's own with Layo. If Lizzy come to Layo, she will comment. What Lizzy will say will be different a little bit. Ẹ máa rí yàtọ̀ láàrin méjèèjì. Wípé kí n torí there was a time tó ń rò pé Lizzy ló ní Layo stubborn. Ẹ máa rí yàtọ̀ láàrin nǹkan tí Lizzy sọ. Torí bí Lizzy ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ ló ṣe ń type, àti rí update ẹ̀ rí, àti gbọ́ voice ẹ̀ rí dáadáa. So ẹ ti máa rí anger nu typing ẹ̀. Ó yàtọ̀ sí ti Layo. Layo doesn't use anger to type. Layo will just be like, I want to instigate war. Ṣé ti understand it? A kàn lọ mú nǹkan kan tó máa fa engagement that will get people talking. Lizzy don't blog like that. Èpè ni Lizzy máa ṣẹ́kùrà. So Lizzy ò ní intelligence láti blog bí Layo. Aunty Bukky on the other hand, Aunty Bukky máa try because she's always trying not to blog like that. I'm not saying she's the one, no? And I'm not saying she's not the one. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying what I saw. What I mean, no, based on this thing that is already trending. Okay, Aunty Bukky will try to, she will be referencing to Layo, and she will be trying on the other hand to divert. Bí pé kéèyàn máa bí kò fẹ́ lọ jíṣẹ́ wò, ó wá fẹ́ change àwọn nǹkan láàrin bẹ̀. So I used to see that Mesoro is not Layo. She's not Layo. She doesn't blog like that. She doesn't talk like that. Yeah, she just want to book her and look superior than anybody, that she's doing fine, when typically we know that she's just trying to, survive. Lizzy is always full of anger and nature. Look at her update. Look at her video. Lizzy is always feeling, cussing, aggressive, and all of that. But when it comes to Aunty Bukky is not aggressive, but she's always looking for something to say that will capture, just like the way Layo used to use her words to capture audience. So Aunty Bukky will now twist it around and say it in another form. So ó fara pẹ́ díẹ̀, ó lè má jóhun, ó lè jẹ́ pé coincidentally, but since it's already on the public space and it's trending, let us talk about it. So Aunty Bukky náà máa ṣe kọ́lọ́kọ́lọ́, but ẹ máa rí traces of nǹkan tí Layo blog ní under Aunty Bukky. So that is my own observation. And I got all this thing from Bolivi saying this for a long time. So you may not think of Bolivi for a long time, but I haven't really decoded it. But now, to now solidify this thing, it can be a coincidence and it may not be. Ó wá sọ pé every time tí Layo bá ti go inactive, tó Layo sọ pé ó máa go inactive for a while, ìgbà yẹn náà Aunty Bukky náà máa go inactive. Now, Layo is saying, I'll be taking a break from here soon. Aunty Bukky náà, all of a sudden, she's taking a Turkey vacation. Ẹ máa gbọ́. Wọ́n ní Ẹ̀yìn Jésù is allegedly on a Turkey vacation with her sister. What a coincidence. Running multiple Facebook accounts, downloading videos, and constantly monitoring Dorcas' page while supposedly on vacation will obviously be too much work. That is it. So, hence, the excuse of being busy. Enyiku's last active status was just 2 hours ago. Layo, I dare you to prove me wrong. Get active on your page while Enyiku is on the vacation, on the audio vacation. Maybe hand the password over to Bipolar to help you run it. At this point, the dots are connecting themselves. We worry you. Well, that's a big kini left for you. We could go active. Kabi will be a Bukky ni, àbí kí n ṣe Bukky. But you know these people now. Tó bá tell you pé Bukky ni, she will not do that now. Or they will look for a way to dribble everybody on this social media space. They will look for a way. I run only one account, YouTube. If you see any of my videos somewhere, but you're my reloaded or cast, and woman post me that. Because I don't have 2 accounts. YouTube, I'm not in any team. That is it. Case of donation, yes, donation, yeah. I'm actively in them, but I support them 100%. That is just against what everybody is saying, because everybody is on donation. Everybody is on Dorcas. They want her to fail. She understand. They just want to go down. But we are not going to let that happen because that woman used to use her own resources to help the people. So àwa ò ní sọ Dorcas di bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dà, kì í ṣe irú mọ̀mọ́ tó ń fún àwọn èèyàn lówó pé kán wá máa bùn torí pé ó fẹ́ boost ní TikTok page ẹ̀. Dorcas don't run things like that. She doesn't run things. It's better for her to say, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ wá fún wa lówó, I need the owó. She will beg than for her to be using money to instigate or to, to bribe people. She's bigger than all that. So I would just say, be our donation. I'm not actively, it's a passively a donation. And if you come for them, well, then you're an issue. So you have to see here, think about it. Layo used to blog a lot of things that is offensive at the same time. Èmi gan máa ń wò pé, Layo, you don't need all this now. Blogging children, any small little mistake tí Priscilla bá make by, tó jẹ́ pé we don't even see. Layo will carry it and blog it. Mo máa ń wò pé Layo wá intelligent ni. But when Layo started blogging Priscilla, I don't know, Priscilla has nothing to do with anybody. Tàbá tẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ bá Ìyábọ̀ jà, ó fẹ́ gbèjà Lizzy, understandable. But Priscilla doesn't have anything. Nǹkan gan tí ò ṣe kíní gan, you just want to post her. You post you will see, 10 things. Priscilla máa ṣe 9 tó dá. Ẹyọ kan tí ò dá ni Layo máa post tó máa fi máa bully ẹ lórí page. Èmi rò pé èèyàn tó bá lọ́pọlọ kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. That is just it. Ẹyọ kan tí ò bá dá. Ibi tí Priscilla ò ti kúnlẹ̀ fún Tóyìn Abraham táwọn méjèèjì jọ ṣe ń ṣeré láàrin ara wọn, ó yá kúnlẹ̀ fún mi, ó yá kúnlẹ̀ fún mi. Layo post ẹ̀ as pé Priscilla is not respectful. Because you are constantly looking for a way to pull an innocent girl down. Kò make sense for me. I'm trying to look for the sense there. I don't see. So, corresponding to Aunty Bukky náà, ṣe rántí gbà tí Priscilla àkọ́kọ́ mójú bá wà fún introduction. Aunty Bukky sọ pé òun máa make sure pé Juma ò ní fẹ́ Priscilla. Òun máa lọ sí gbogbo sílùú Juma. Òun máa lọ gba gbogbo information rẹ̀. Òun máa blog ẹ̀ pa. Ẹ ti máa mọ àwọn èèyàn tó ń ṣe bẹ́lẹ̀. It's aligning with what Layo too used to do. It's like, èmi máa ń rí pé bí yìí lára. Èmi ò mọ bẹ́yìn ṣe máa ń rí life o. Èmi lọ́mọ tèmi tí mo fẹ́ kọ́yàn kan yanjú. Èmi ò dẹ̀ lè máa jókòó kí máa rò pé kí ó bàjẹ́ fọmọ kan. Àti ìyá àgbàyà yẹn náà tó sọ pé kọ́mọ kan ta ríǹgì jẹun. Èmi ò kì í rí life bẹ́yẹn. When it comes to children, I'll be like, ọmọ lọmọ ń jẹ́, ẹja kó wọn. Ojú ẹ̀ wà ní ojú ẹ̀ ò sí mẹ́. Let's take care of children because life is already hard for us. So how do we want to make it harder for our kids again? So the things Layo used to blog, ẹ wo ẹnu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta iná tó fàjà láàrin Layo àti Bolivi. Layo was posting Dorcas children unprovoked. These are kids. You are posting that irun ọmọ rough. You are posting that ọmọ kan wọ́n lo filter fún. Just instigating nǹkan that you can just look and pass away. Like, ọmọdé ni. What do you expect? Tí ọmọ bá púpù sínú pampers ẹ̀, ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ pé ẹ wo kọ́lọ́ ìgbẹ́. Just petty things that doesn't make sense. Just because òun wá nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi bully èèyàn, kó máa wá nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi bully ọmọ kékeré. Then, Bolivi to carry Misoro's children, started bullying them. You cannot take it. Ṣó ti rí bẹ́yẹn? You cannot take it, but ṣó ṣe ń bully ọmọ Dorcas lórí platform ẹ̀? Layo, are you just bullying Dorcas children? Ṣé torí pé kò kì í sọ̀rọ̀ on your platform? Gbogbo ara mọ̀ pé every time ló máa ń gbé ọmọ Dorcas síbẹ̀ tó máa bully ọmọ yẹn, especially that baby. Ó máa bully baby yẹn gan online. And you don't have to do that. Òun bully ìyá, òun bully àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké méjì. Wàá tún bully mọ́mì Dorcas náà, wàá tún bully wọn náà bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò dáa. There are some things tó yẹ pé àgbàlagbà là ń dá iná, ẹ jẹ́ àlọ́pọ̀lọ́ náà. Torí engagement, cheap engagement. Ò bá ìjà Aunty Bukky ò tiẹ̀ lọ́pọlọ náà initially. Ìyẹn ò tiẹ̀ lọ́pọlọ. I wish Layo is not Aunty Bukky. Honestly, I honestly wish Layo is not Bukky. Because Bukky doesn't have sense. Bukky is evil to the core. Ọlọ́run tó rí tó dá ní ugly mùtẹ̀tẹ̀ yẹn, ó mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, torí inú ẹ̀, reflection of her face is the reflection of her heart. Bukky is terrible in and out. I don't believe Layo is terrible. I believe that Layo is just, misled. Let me use that word. It's okay, Layo is misled. That is what I believe about Layo. I feel Layo can do better. I feel Layo doesn't even have to. Ẹ máa rí pé nǹkan tó ń kọ yẹn gan kì í ṣe pé traffic náà lè lọ títí. But ó kàn fẹ́ jẹ́ pé, okay, in case tẹ́ bá miss ẹ̀, ó yá Egba, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lélẹ̀. To understand this, I don't really feel like Layo is bad, honestly speaking. I just feel like Layo should just do better. The way you act childish and immature sometimes. You can do better. Lady ọmọdé nìyẹn náà, òun bọ́ ọmọ kékeré jà, òun post ọmọ kékeré. Ṣé o lè gba sweet gan jẹ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ kékeré gan kó gba biscuit lọ́wọ́ wọn because it's not, you acting like you are immature. Blog something that makes sense. Let us talk about something, not children. You are blogging a baby that is less than 1 year. Just think. Well, anyways, that is what is trending. Wait, Aunty Bukky ni Layo. What is your opinion? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mọ opinion yín nínú comment section.